Now we'll talk about the verb, traditionally defined as the action word, the word that tells you of the action that takes place in a sentence. It also shows the state of a thing. That is the verb. The verb also has its types. Majorly, we have the main verb and the auxiliary verb. The main verb also referred to as lexical verb and the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verbs are further divided into primary and modal auxiliary. Now, we move on to another type of word. We've talked about the noun, the pronoun, the adjective, the verb. Then we can talk about the conjunction. That is also a type of a word or a part of speech. Now, the conjunction, what is a conjunction? Traditionally, mainly, the conjunction is a word that joins two things together. It can be two nouns, it can be two pronouns, it can be two words. And then it can also join things bigger than the words. It can join phrases, it can join clauses, it can join predicates. That is what a conjunction does. There are three basic types of conjunctions. We have the coordinating conjunctions, about 6 of them, and then we have the subordinating conjunctions. There are many. While, because, unless, since, as if, even though, and many others. After the conjunction, the next word we'll talk about is the preposition. The preposition. Now, the preposition is a word that shows the relationship of two nouns or two pronouns, or a noun and a pronoun. Now, be careful there. Don't confuse the preposition and the conjunction. The conjunction joins words, joins phrases, joins clauses. But the preposition shows the relationship between two nouns, between two pronouns, or a noun and a pronoun. Let's give an example. The book is under the table. The word under is a preposition showing the relationship of the book, a noun, and the table, another noun. The boy is between his father and the mother. Between shows the relationship of the boy to the mother and the father. So that is the point. So that is what a preposition is. Then another word that we have is the adverb. The adverb is an important word. Now, the adverb is defined as a word that modifies or describes or qualifies a verb. It can also describe an adjective. It can even also describe another adverb. So, let's take, for example, he ran slowly. He ran slowly. The word slowly there is an adverb telling you how he ran. So it's describing the action ran. It can describe another adverb. He ran very slowly. Now this time, very is an adverb. What is it telling you more about? It is not run, but he ran slowly. How slowly? Very slowly. So the adverb does that. It tells you more about the verb. It tells you more about a verb. It tells you more about an adjective. It tells you more about another adverb. Let's see how it tells you more about an adjective. The boy is very tall. Tall is an adjective. How tall? Very tall. So it's telling you more about the adjective tall. Then we'll take the last type or part of speech, number 8, and that is the interjection. The interjection is simply a word that shows exclamation. Oh, how! Although, for example, if you put the word help, I helped him, that would be a verb. But when it is used in this format, how is no longer as if it is no longer indicating action there. It's simply indicating an exclamation, high emotion. So interjections actually are unique in their own form. So these are the parts of speech or the types of words. When it's necessary, we are going to be looking at one after the other. But at this point, I'm considering the phrase, the clause, and the sentence as more important.